Okay guys, if you talk about the constructor property promotions, so this is a new features introduced in PHP 8. So when you create the constructor, I'm talking about the magic methods. You always use the, let's suppose if you have the email and also the password, so whenever you create the instance, you always send the data and your constructor receive the data and set the properties. Okay, so this is the long procedure, like you always define the properties, you define the constructor. Okay, so now how can you short this? In this video I'm gonna show you, so let's get started. Okay guys, so now you know very well that PHP 8 introduced a lot of new things. So let's suppose you have the constructor property promotion. So this is the new concepts. So whenever you create the properties, you always define the properties at the top of your constructor and then you can call them. So let's suppose let's take an example. So now you know very well that you are doing like this. I'm saying I have the class name book, and now I'm saying if I have the public, let's suppose book, and now some few, let's suppose author, and also you know very well that if I have the pages. Okay, so now if I use the constructor here, the magic methods, I'm saying constructor. Okay, so now I'm saying the book and also the author and also the pages. Okay, so here I'm saying this book equals to, I'm assigning the values like books, and here just copy paste and place this code, make sure it's not the method, and this is with. Okay, so when you create the new book, and you always send the values. So let's suppose like I'm saying my book, and also the author is, I'm saying skz, and the pages are, so let's suppose I'm saying 20. Okay, so if I'm saying this is the object, so I gonna also var dump this one. Okay, so now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's giving you the book. Even you can also use like this book and also author and also pages. Right click, sorry, go to the page, refresh the page, it's working fine. So this is the PHP 8 features. Okay, so you are doing this, you are defining the attributes at the top of your constructor, or okay, so now these are the properties. So if we short this one, so how can you do that? So I'm going to use, so now just remove this one here, and also if I say I'm going to comment this one, so you guys can easily get the code. Okay guys, so now I'm saying that I'm gonna create the constructor. I'm saying this is the constructor, and make sure in this time I'm saying this is the constructor, and here I'm defining the values. I'm saying public, so these values, or you can say these values, but with what, comma separate. So you don't need to add the comma here. So this is the public, and now if you go to the page, refresh the page, make sure you have the same results. So you are not defining the properties at the top of your constructor, just use it. Or if you are saying that this is the string and this is also the string, this is also the string, it's also give you the same result. Refresh the page, same result. So that means when we create a class in PHP, we first declare the properties at the top of the page and then use the constructor. But here, as you can see, we are just using the shortcut, or we are using the PHP 8 mechanism or the new features, which is known as constructor property promotions. Okay guys, so this is about the constructor property promotions. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up and thank you for watching.